Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chidera. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're welcome. Please do what to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. And to you all my returning subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do what to subscribe to my channel, like and leave a comment. Okay, so today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make egg sauce with some twists. This is not the regular egg sauce that you know. This is egg sauce with some twist. So guys, if you want to know how I make this egg sauce, then keep on watching. If you're watching my video, you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, like, share and comment. Alright guys, let me introduce you my ingredients for this egg sauce. I'll be having this with fried plantain for breakfast. Let's get there. So guys, here are the ingredients for this egg sauce. I have my eggs here. I have here 6 eggs. I have my spring onions for some garnishing. I have my chopped tomatoes and my chopped beef. The beef is just for some extra. I have my onion and my garlic. I have here my pepper already chopped. I have my thyme, my curry powder, my salt and seasoning cube. So guys, let's start making our egg sauce. And if you have not subscribed to my channel up to this point, please do so to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Okay guys, help this girl get to 500 this month. Alright, so let's get started. Going with my green onion now. I'm going to stir this. Alright, then our egg sauce is ready. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up so I come your way next time. Bye.